I'm standing with one of the finest karate instructors in the entire country, Dennis from Amerikick, a published author, experienced martial arts pro with tremendous amount of history and experience. We're diving into details to find out why so many people are talking about your school. Tell me what makes you different than a lot of these other karate schools that are out there.
It really is the quality of teaching in our staff. We take a lot of time to train our staff. We have weekly training sessions. I work with all my black belts on a regular basis. We're real trained. We actually have a certification program for our cardio kickboxers. So somebody who wants to be an instructor in our organization, they come in and they get trained and they get taught how to do the moves, and they taught about how to properly do things. They taught about safety. We're talking about rehydration. We're talking about carbs. The whole reel. We're not just, okay, here's how to punch and kick. That's unfortunately what most schools do. As far as our kids program, we really focus on children, on developing their focus, their attention, their discipline, their courtesy, doing great in school. We have 3 areas that the kids should do really good in. Their regular school. They've got to go and get the best they can. They got to get those A's, okay? Second is at home. We want good kids. We don't want kids go out there screaming at their mom, I don't want to do this, I don't want to do it. And of course, we want them to do the best here at our karate school. We want the very best out of them. We're going to push them in a friendly, courteous way to reach a higher level of standard, to reach a level that they don't think they can reach. The results are great. I have one woman here who lost a mom, who lost 45 pounds in cardio. I have another one, and she wrote, it not only helped my body, it helped my mind. I no longer see my therapist. Yeah. There you go. Yeah. So, you know, good body, good mind, you know, right, they're in harmony.
I'm here with Debbie. You just got finished kickboxing class with Amerikick.
Yes.
You're winded. Yeah, I saw you working out. Very challenging. Tell me how you like this class.
This class is awesome. It's one of the best around in the area. Great workout, great cardio workout, lots of arm working, leg work, awesome class.
The instructor here is really a world-class instructor when it comes to karate and kickboxing. So that's a big difference than a lot of classes that are out there. Is that correct?
Correct, because he has a karate background. It does help with the cardio kickboxing, correct.
I'm here with Kevin, an instructor here at Amerikick. You're a world-class karate expert. I mean, tell me, what degree black belt are you in?
I just recently received my 5th degree black belt, which now I'm considered a master. I have several world titles in fighting, one of my special things. I enjoy it. I love my job. I love what I do. I love seeing the women happy and seeing the kids happy, and it's just a great experience for me and them, and like to keep coming back for more.
Tell me how important it is as a professional karate instructor to actually be teaching kickboxing, and how that translates to having really amazing classes.
Well, I think you need a lot of motivation, a lot of energy. You need a lot of experience, and I've got a lot of experience. I've been teaching it for 14 years. I've been doing martial arts for 24, so more than half my life.
We are really anxious and excited about spreading the word about your school, the care, the history. It speaks for itself. Thanks again.
Well, thank you, Dave. Thank you.
Great.
All right.